DSLR Booth. This is for DSLR Booth is meant for Windows. So let's get started. Let me share my screen with you. Here we go. So this is DSLR. Um, if you guys haven't done so, please download it. And if you guys haven't subscribed to it, I will put a link down below. It will be our referral link. If you are doing Luma Booth, you'll do it here. If you are doing DSLR Booth, which is Windows, which is what we're actually going to be going over, it's the DSLR Booth for those of you that are using anything with Windows-based programs. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe in the link below. We will have it in the description as well. So be sure to sign up for that. Just a little bit about DSLR Booth. It is $199 a year. You can do photo booth, text messaging, email, WhatsApp, and QR code it. You can do GIFs, boomerangs, videos, green screen, AI backgrounds, surveys, and a bunch of other stuff. So those are just a couple things that we're gonna go over right now.